It's your girl Allie, and I'm going to do a little unboxing here. This is something that I just ordered. I've been wanting a thermometer. You know, these days we need to have the ability to check our temperatures. So I just got this mail, and I ordered a thermometer from auleyshop.com. That's auleyshop.com. Make sure you check it out. Looks like it's been through the fire, or not through the fire, but been beat up in the mail. I got it. I ordered this about 7 days ago, and it's finally made it here. The people in the mail look like they've brutalized my new thermometer. But anyway, basically it's a non-contact infrared body thermometer. And let's see. I am supposed to be able to it's a TE808 non-contact infrared body thermometer. Supposed to green if it's safe, yellow if it's slight, if there's a slight fever, and red high fever. Again, non-contact thermometer. Got this off of auleyshop.com. So let's see what's in here. It only took about 7 days to get here. This has been squished. Looks like I'm missing this. I'm missing something.
Hopefully no one didn't
I
open it.
know. Thank you, Amber. By the way, shout out to Amber. She's recording for me here.
They know I'm recording because my finger accidentally went past the camera.
Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. So it says here it's multifunctional, wide range, not only for body temperature, but also for temperature of room, object, milk, food, bath, water. This is what it looks like, just so you can kind of see. Looks like it's got little buttons on the side. Of course, you can control it right here, and then this is the back of it, and then this is what the other side looks like. So let me see. See what size batteries it takes. Looks like it takes 2 batteries. And let me see what it says on here as far as the battery size. Oh, it takes 2 AAA batteries. So stay tuned. I'm going to have to get some AAA batteries so that we can put the batteries in and go from there. So stay tuned. I will be right back once I buy some batteries, because I don't have any AAA batteries, I don't think, unless I can borrow some from Amber. Do you have any AAA batteries, Amber?
I'll have to go upstairs and look.
All right, so she's going to check, and if she does, then we'll be right back. You're watching Allie's View. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, this is the thermometer that I purchased. I bought it off of Auleyshop. That's auleyshop.com. I'll put a link in the description so that you can see, but neat. Wasn't very expensive. Got here in about 7 days. Ships from the USA. All right. I didn't go, Amber went. Thank you, Amber. Amber was kind enough to go upstairs, and she found 2 batteries. And so now we're putting the batteries in. And it looks like when you put the batteries in, you press the button, and that kind of shows you what the screen looks like. Now let's see whether, oh goody, it's on Fahrenheit. And we're going to do the body temperature. So you can see the screen. Amber's going to shoot my forehead since it's a contactless.
I don't know. Okay, you guys can see it. 96.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yay! My temperature is not all that high. So that's one of the many things that it can do. Based on what I've read in here, it's got a lot of really great features. It's got the ability to store up to 32 different temperatures that you may want to save by day. There's a different volume control. If your temperature is too high, it will give you a message. It will send an alert. The screen will actually be a different color. And in order to save the battery, it goes off like what you can see when you're not in use. You can actually get the temperature of an object. I wonder whether if we were to scan this water, I have a glass of water right here. wonder what happens if I were to
You'd
scan.
have to switch it.
Oh, I'd have to switch it
Switch
to
it to object.
Okay, switch it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Professor. Switch it to object. So I had it on body. That's right. So we're going to switch it to object on the side here. So we're putting in an object, and we just scanned it. Oh, my glass of water is 58.6 degrees. Interesting.
Just below room temperature.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, there you go. You guys can see it a little bit.
Yeah, 58.6 degrees is what this water in the glass is. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You are watching Allie's View. This is my new non-contact thermometer that I just bought. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Really inexpensive. I bought this one off of auleyshop.com. That's auleyshop.com. There'll be a link in the description. And this is what it looks like. I can say that the mail people, they brutalized my little box, but it got here, and you will have to buy your own batteries. So, but this is my latest acquisition, and I like it. So if you need one, be sure to check out auleyshop.com. Really inexpensive. I think this was like $36, and they offer like a 10% discount. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. We'd love to have you as a member.